He turned it off.
And he's like,
whoa.
Oh my God. Oh.
Fuck me.
Manual recording will now
That
start.
was so bad. What was he doing?
I have no idea.
He wasn't paying He's attention. A noob too.
All right.
Oh shit.
We have not seen.
Oh shit.
Right. There's been 3 drives where Jaden Daniels started in preseason. All 3 ended with a scoring opportunity. There was a touchdown, a field goal.
Oh.
It gets about as much oil and gas from Russia as it does from Brazil, and Vladimir Putin would be connecting to the emergency call center.
Soviet blame for the failures of those beneath you. More than once he had fed his superiors to those still higher up in order to cover himself. Carefully closing the door, he turned and would have screamed if his throat had not clenched too tight for sound. The woman who stood there wore white silk. But
I guess I really have to shower when I get home. Oh my God, there's so much fucking space.
We did country songwriters in the round. Dude! KKW. Dude, some motherfucker just hit my van.
There's a village in the middle of nowhere, typical Japanese village technically, and really close by to this hole! Dude, what the fuck? No, leave. Oh my God.
What the fuck?
Well, hey, make up your mind. Go or don't go.
Oh, that was close.
I'd like to keep it that way. So the fact that I've raised the threat level and mobilized a response as his face, little of it can be seen behind.
Oi! Fuck you! God damn it! Fuck.
HIV, but because getting a viral infection can make your lymphocyte count go down, especially in relative terms, if not in absolute terms as well. And eosinophil count again, like I mentioned.
Fucking dumbass motherfucker, man.
Oh my God, that's so scary. How did they not fucking notice that?
They just followed the guy in front of them. Holy
Literally
shit.
6 people went in the wrong way. The other guy flipped.
That's crazy.
I was like, I thought we
Why did this guy think that would be a good idea?